Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Haifanenden Andriana. I'm from A2. My student ID is 22220064. In this video, I would like to present about proposal seminar. Title of research is ICT-based learning contextual approach in teaching reading. Background of research. In this era, where everything can be helped, controlled, and worked by technology, the teaching and learning process has to adapt to technology development. One of the benefits that the teacher and the student can get in the teaching and learning process, which is based on the technology development, is the teaching and learning process can be done by using technology. ICT-based learning can help the teacher to conduct the teaching-learning process. And using the blended learning method may be a good idea for the teacher rather than just using e-learning because the teacher can have interactive learning. Next, research question. Based on this research, the researcher find the problems as follow. 1. How is the scenario and implementation of teaching reading comprehension using the contextual approach with ICT to the students at a vocational high school in Padalarang? 2. What are the students' responses toward teaching reading comprehension using the contextual approach with ICT to the students at a vocational high school in Padalarang? 3. What are the students' difficulties in learning reading skills using the contextual approach with ICT at a vocational high school in Padalarang? And 4. What are the teachers' obstacles in teaching reading skills using the contextual approach with ICT to the students at a vocational high school in Padalarang? Next, objectives of the research. According to the research question, this research has such purposes as follows. 1. To create the scenario and implementation of reading comprehension using the contextual approach with ICT to the students at a vocational high school in Padalarang. 2. To know the students' responses toward teaching reading comprehension using the contextual approach with ICT at a vocational high school in Padalarang. 3. To identify the students' difficulties in learning reading skills using the contextual approach with ICT at a vocational high school in Padalarang. And 4. To identify the teachers' obstacles in teaching reading skills using the contextual approach with ICT to the students at a vocational high school in Padalarang. Next, significances of the research. For teachers, they 1. May become a comparative study for other teachers in teaching reading. 2. Can use this research for instructional materials. 3. Find an interesting, useful, and effective method in teaching reading. For the students, they will be 1. Improving reading ability skill. 2. An interesting classroom. And 3. Having multiple skills include communication and presentation skills, organization and management skills, self-assessment and reflection skills, group participation and leadership skills, and critical thinking. For the next learning process, it can be regarded 1. As a reference for the learning process, especially in reading skills. 2. To know the comparison approach toward students' improvement in reading. Next, definition of key terms. Some key terms used in this research are as follows. 1. Contextual approach. A contextual approach is an approach that emphasizes the student to understand the material by linking the material with a real-life context in order to make the material understandable for the student. 2. Reading skill. Based on a language acquisition, reading is a receptive or passive skill. Reading is the ability to understand the whole meaning of the written text. 3. Teaching reading. Teaching reading is an activity to help the learners understand how to read properly, understand the meaning, and interpret the written text. 4. ICT. Information and Communication Technology, or ICT, is a technology that allows us to find a lot of information. Next, literature review. A. Reading. Reading is the receptive skill in the written mode. It can develop independently of listening and speaking skills, but often develops along with them, especially in societies with a highly developed literary tradition. Reading can help build vocabulary that helps listening comprehension at the later stage, particularly. Aydogan and Akbarov 2014. B. Contextual approach. Contextual teaching and learning, or CTL, helps teachers to relate the learning material to students' real-world situation and encourage students to make connections between their knowledge and its implementation in their daily lives. Sulianto 2008. Methodology and research procedure. 1. Research method. This research uses descriptive qualitative method. 2. Research procedure. 1. Preparation procedure. The researcher will prepare questions about reading comprehension for the pre-test and post-test. Applications such as quizzes to do the pre-test, post-test activity, and Google Classroom to collect the final project or data. Scoring list to know the pre-test and post-test scores of the students. 2. Implementation procedure. In this stage, the researcher will research by doing the pre-test and quizzes application to know the students' understanding of their reading comprehension about the job application letter. Before the researcher explain the whole material about reading comprehension, especially about job application letter. When the pre-test has been done, the researcher will make a scoring list to know the students' pre-test scores. After that, the researcher will explain the material about reading comprehension and the job application letter. Then the researcher will do the post-test in quizzes. 3. Evaluation procedure. As an evaluation, the researcher will consider if the method and the use of that ICT successfully increase the student understanding about reading comprehension, especially for job application letters, or not. It depends on the student's scores. Next, participant or subject of the research. The population who conducted in this research are the 12th grade of a high school in Padalarang of 2020 or 2021 academic year. 36 students will be included in this research. Next, research instrument. 1. Observation. Involved directly in order to understand the atmosphere in the field and the data collected by a field note observation questionnaire. 2. Questionnaire. The questionnaire is where the researcher giving several questions to the students throughout the previous teaching method and asking what are the difficulties which often experienced by the students. 3. Interview. The interview is an activity to asking the students towards in teaching and learning activity in purpose to know the students' understanding of the material and the teacher's teaching method. The last is procedure of data analysis. The data will be collected with help by Google Classroom for collecting the students' result and Microsoft Excel to know the students' score records and to know what is the result of the exercises. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.